I continue to be amazed at how much time ChatGPT saves me and also how it shows me how to make money here on YouTube. For example, here I've created an SOP using ChatGPT for content creation on YouTube across any niche. Now, I have a link in the description where I'm sharing this SOP with you. But before we go any further, when you take that SOP, that standing operating procedure of how to get views here on YouTube, and you apply it with a proven strategy to build a profitable online business. So for example, my roadmap inside of affiliating to build a profitable online business using the top strategy of traffic offer people, that is traffic here on YouTube, which essentially means picking a topic to get views when you create consistent content, and then showing people an offer and then adding people to an email list to effectively follow up with them with more offers. But the idea and the concept here goes back to using ChatGPT and how amazing it is to be able to create something like a standard operating procedure so you can do the same thing repeatedly. So you can practice again and again and again and get more views based on the same practice of utilizing ChatGPT to break down information that you can get from what has already been proven to work here on YouTube in your specific niche. So going back to this SOP, and again, I've shared this chat in the link in the description, so you can access this and you can copy and you can paste and you can customize this with the whole idea of copying and pasting what is already proven on YouTube to go viral, simply meaning to get more views, again, so you can build a profitable online business utilizing YouTube as a traffic source. That's the whole point. That's the function of what it is I'm showing you here in this SOP. So you look at the procedure and it's broken down into steps. Step 1, market, niche, and topic exploration. Step 2, generating video titles and thumbnails. Step 3, screenwriting and bullet points. Step 4, creating hooks. And then you get into steps 5, 6, and 7, which is actually creating the videos. But for here and for step 1, you can see inside this chat that I've shared with you, again, that link is in the description, to grab this chat so you can proceed with the first step by please providing the results of your YouTube search with the top 5 to 10 videos in your chosen niche. So you simply come back up here to the SOP, and again, you are just following this procedure that ChatGPT has given us. So we're going to go step 1, and we're going to perform a YouTube search for the top ranking videos in your chosen niche and copy the results into ChatGPT. Then it has a prompt here for ChatGPT to analyze those results. Because remember, at the end of the day, the big idea here, the big concept is to get views, but also to get more views than usual by looking and seeing what's already working, what's already been proven here on YouTube. So we'll go ahead and we'll paste in a search term here in our niche, how to start an online business with no money. And we'll go ahead and we'll search, and we'll let YouTube go out and find the top videos for that specific search term. And then at that point, we're simply just going to copy everything that YouTube has given back to us in the search. And then once we highlight that, we're simply just going to copy, go back to the chat where we have the SOP. Again, I've shared that chat. There's a link in the description. You can grab that chat and you can copy and paste and customize for your own specific niche. We're just going to paste in all that information, just the raw data that we copied. And then ChatGPT is going to take that data, again, just a simple copy and paste, and it's going to start customizing it based on the SOP, the very first step of the SOP. And then we're going to continue with the SOP and take this or this information, this data, we're going to take what we copied and what we pasted into the ChatGPT, and we're going to let the AI break it down, and then we're going to customize it for our own specific use in our own niche. Again, the point here and the idea is to go viral, but understanding that going viral in your specific niche and for the purpose of what you're trying to do, or what I'm trying to do, is utilize YouTube as a traffic source to help you understand that as a content creator, as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer, as a person that's looking to build an online business, you can take this data, you can copy and paste what's already proven in a niche that you want to be in, and then you can take that, copy and paste that into ChatGPT, and then customize it to create your own unique content to get views here on YouTube, turn those views into a traffic source to an offer, and then put people on an email list. That's the big picture here. So we go back to ChatGPT, and you can see here that ChatGPT is very cordial. Thank you for providing the search result. Based on these top ranking YouTube videos in the niche of online business and entrepreneurship, I will now analyze them and suggest market trends, potential sub-niches, and specific topics for creating new engaging content. New engaging content that you are now going to create your own content based upon the idea or the concept of what's already working, and then taking that, copy and paste, and then customize. So analysts of top ranking YouTube videos in online business niche. Number 1, video, top online business ideas. You can start with $0, no money. You can see here the views, the creator, the trends, the sub niches, side hustles, zero investment business ideas, global accessibility, content ideas. Then it's going to start listing content ideas. And you can see that it did this. It broke down each of the videos and how many views it has and how long ago those views came. So you can see all that at a glance here. And then you get an idea of the type of content that you can create for your specific niche based on your specific topic. Again, we have market trends and potential sub niches here, specific topics for new content, all of that at a glance, broken down into bullet points and a list of video ideas simply from going and looking at what's working, copy and paste, bring it back to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, would you like to proceed with refining these ideas, or do you need further analysis or different suggestions? At this point, you go back to the SOP and you say, what's next? What's step number 2? What's step number 3? What's step number 4? And so on. And of course, you can follow along with that SOP. There's a link in the description so you can do this for yourself. But we go back and we say, would you like to proceed with refining these ideas, or do you need further analysis or different suggestions? Of course, going back to the SOP, using ChatGPT for YouTube content creation across any niche to get views, you can see that we've created, or we have followed the procedure for step 1. Now we want to do step 2. So if we were to take that and just go back to ChatGPT and continue our discussion, you can see that it asks you, would you like to proceed? Now I like to be a little more specific, and I'll just say yes. Yes, go ahead and proceed to step 2, generating video titles and thumbnails. Of course, at any point now, you have done the copy and paste and you've taken that over to ChatGPT. Now is your time to customize. Customize based upon the chat that I've shared with the SOP, and then see what ChatGPT has given you, and then understand that you need to adjust and make sure that it makes sense for you, your voice, your audience, the audience that you're looking for, and then make sure that you're coming up with your own original ideas to create content that's going to effectively help the people, the audience that you're looking to build, to actually help them to generate commissions if you're an affiliate marketer, by letting them know that you have offers that ultimately solve their big problem. But at this point, if we go back to ChatGPT where we proceeded with step 2, you could see that ChatGPT is now moved on to step 2, and it's starting to generate catchy and SEO-friendly titles for the video topics identified in the niche of online business and entrepreneurship. Of course, this was an example. You go ahead and put your own niche and topic in here, and you'll get the same type of ideas. I'll also suggest creative and visual appealing thumbnails for these titles. So here we have video, topic, title, thumbnail, and concept, and you can see it broke down 4 ideas for us that we can work from. But the first one here, video topic, zero-cost business models, myth or reality. Title, uncover the truth. Can you really start a business with $0? And then the thumbnail concept, an image split in 2, one side showing a piggy bank symbolizing zero investment, and the other side showing a thriving online business. Then you can see here that it came up again with 3 additional video topics, ideas, even for the thumbnail, all from that original copy and paste, with the concept of letting ChatGPT save you time and show you exactly how to make money. Again, the amazing way that ChatGPT does this and breaks this down for us gives us 0 excuses for being able to create content and get views here on YouTube, and effectively use YouTube as a traffic source to build a profitable online business as marketers, as content marketers, as affiliate marketers, or even if you're just looking to use YouTube as a hobby to create views because you want to do it for fun, then this will work for you. But effectively, what I'm talking about here is creating an online business, a profitable online business using YouTube, using ChatGPT to help you pick a topic based on what's already working out there, and all you have to do is copy, paste, and customize to go viral, meaning to get views, to turn those views into traffic, get those people over to an offer, add them to an email list, and build your own profitable online business. Of course, if you'd like to see exactly how I do this and the results that I've had, check out this video right here. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.